Well, my book is educational. The key is two things. I A lot of people do it for a living. And in doing it for a living, it's about how much money you make, and that was never my goal. I have worked with a lot of writers and a lot of directors, and every time I worked with them for over 12 years, they said, "Tab, you need to write a damn book because I do things differently than everybody else. Just a little bit. I have things in common, but I'm different." And so it took me over 12 years to sit down and write the damn thing. And for me, I honestly, I'll be honest, I don't make a lot off my book. I make almost, I don't. That's not why I did it. I am with one of the top educational publishers in the world, the number one in the world, and their subsidiary that releases me is number one in America. So I'm released by Taylor and Francis in the UK, which owns Routledge out here, who Focal Press, that division, does entertainment-based books, entertainment industry-based books. And honestly, I would love to advise you as to what is the best way to do well, but here's what I do. When I host a class, I tell everybody about my book. When I do this, buy my book. By the way, did I mention buy my book? Prewriting Your Screenplay, a step-by-step guide to generating stories. Never write a movie without it. How's that? That's it. That's how you do it. You just talk about it, you post it, you let your friends know, you use it on social media. You know, if you really want to pound the pavement, you could put out ads for your book on all kinds of services. I don't do that. I didn't do it for that reason. So for me, the success is in the fact that the best thing I ever do writing-wise in my whole life, because I haven't been able to control any of the work that has gotten made that I wrote, and what it wound up being wasn't ever what I wrote. So the best thing I may ever wind up writing in my whole life, the most personal satisfaction I have is in that book, because it's not getting changed, and the real reward and the real payment is knowing that everything I learned about story and studied, because I went to USC, NYU, and UCLA. I studied writing at all the schools and storytelling, and I took all these different pieces. And the one thing I know I did give back to the world is my ideas for how to do it. And then somebody will come along and come up with their ideas and make it even better. But for now, I've done good. And, the work is its own reward.